What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Arthur Early here, and right now, guys, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over multiple income funnel. Yes, this is absolutely another funnel system that Mac put together for two different multiple income streams. The first multiple income stream, as you can see here, is the funnel itself, which pays a recurring $20 a month commission for those of you that sign up. All right, and is a little video to show you exactly how to go ahead and sign up. This is once you click on the link, you're going to be directly brought to this video. Okay, after you go ahead and click in the first video that you get. The second income stream right there is, as you can see right here, is Easy One Up. And for those of you that have joined me in Easy One Up, right now what you should do is get yourself this system so that you can start generating income. It's already a put together funnel for you. It brings in your prospects, and all you have to do, guys, is just get into the system, and the system is only $49, guys. So you might want to make sure you do that, especially if you're an Easy One Up. All right, so what you would do is sign with Easy One Up. All right, the third income stream is an income stream that's called textbot right here, as you can see. Give me 1 second here. Let me show you this back, guys. I apologize. Yes, I apologize, guys. So it is textbot. It is AI, artificial intelligence textbot. So what you do is it's a pretty easy text system. You get your leads from, whatever lead provider that you're going to be using, and then you go ahead and just plug the numbers right into the text bot, and the text bot's is smart. It's AI, so AI, it gets smarter by data. So the more data you give this text bot, the better it's going to be for you. So you could put things such as like telephone numbers, and you can actually set it up to see exactly how you want the text bot to respond. Okay, this is going to help you in your business because if you set it up the right way, you ask the right questions, people come into your business, guys. And last but not least is going to be Traffic Authority. Now, Traffic Authority here, guys, is a system that I've been using, and I'm actually going to log in right now to my back office of Traffic Authority just to show you exactly this is the traffic source that I have been using, guys. So you don't think I'm putting this out in the fluffer or anything else like that. All right, just real quick. Okay, what we're gonna do right now, guys, is I'm gonna go into let's go into my dashboard, and then from my dashboard I'm gonna click all the way down. Actually, no, we're not gonna go into we're gonna go into the traffic store. I apologize, guys. It's late over here. It's late. So as you can see here, I'm positioned at diamond. All right, so I can earn at the diamond level, and you're gonna have to buy traffic anyway, guys. So the more traffic that you buy, you're just going to be able to, and you can get registered, and Max explains it all in the video, how to go through each one. It's a pretty easy system. All right, and that is income stream number 4, which is Traffic Authority, and it's very simple, guys. Listen, you're going to need the traffic anyway. You're going to need a solo ad provider, so you're going to go there. Number 1, you're going to make money from people buying clicks. Number 2, when the traffic converts and they turn around and they buy more traffic, you're going to get a referral. You're going to get a commission. So there's 3 ways, guys, in this system, actually 4 ways, including the funnel itself, to earn money. And you're going to watch this. You're going to set up your income streams. And as you can see here, guys, I already set all mine up. It says all complete setup. Income stream number 1, income stream number 2, income stream number 3, and number 4. I'm all set up, all right? So I don't have a problem with any of the income streams. And as you can see here, guys, you could start here. And Mac explains everything, what the income streams is, how to set them up. He did all the work. I don't have to do anything. The system explains itself. All right, and then it gives you your affiliate links here. These are my affiliate links assigned to me through a username. These are not yours necessarily, but once you set the system up, you get your own system, guys. And once again, traffic, as you can see here, you log right into it logs you right into Traffic Authority. And as I just showed you 2 seconds ago, guys, I'm already a member of Traffic Authority, and I position myself at the highest level. All right, leads, you're on the leaderboard. Here's some resources. If you want to promote this, it gives you if you do email marketing, check this out, and boom, there it is right there. Email 1, email 2, E3, E4, E5, E6, and E7. So you could send these, you could put this in like a rotator, and you could send these emails out every single day. And your link, once you send the email, is already set there, so you don't have to worry about that. All right, you want to do a web banner. Some people like using web banners. That's cool. Web banners, that's easy. Social media. Guys, listen, you can go right on social media. Go ahead, right-click, save image as, boom, there you go, and put it right there on your Facebook page. Easy commissions, right? Very, very simple. And if you want to write a Facebook post about the system, there you go, guys. Look how easy that is. Just copy and paste, boom, right onto your Facebook page, no problem, guys. So for those of you that are on my team, listen to me. Make sure you go ahead and click that link in the description box and get started right away in this system, guys, because I'm telling you right now, it's only $49, which is super cheap for the system. And if you delay, the price will go up to $99. And I would just hate to see you pay for more for a system when you don't have to, guys. All right, so this is my review for my team and anybody else that might be watching this video on this new income system, multiple income funnel with Mac. And guys, there's testimonial after testimonial in this video, so make sure you guys watch the video. All right, so once again, to get started, go ahead and click on that link in the description. It's going to be the only link in the description, and we'll get you started and start making you some money online. All right, so until the next video, I'll see you out. All right, bye for now.